this on. Hi guys, so this is the only video I will show my voice because this is the only voice that I should show. So I'm gonna so you go here and then look at my discontinued food. So
You're not videoing.
I am videoing. Here's a Liberator Lily,
No.
and here's some proof that I'm recording.
No.
My mushroom, it's now radioactive. See, you can't eat that. Oh, stop. Well, this it didn't. I hate it.
What was it? Is it there?
It's not there. Yep, haha, you got my sugar apple. Haha, you got my beanstalk. I don't need that anymore. Sorry, that was my brother. So, here's my little kiwis. Hello, Kobe.
You're lagging.
So here's my sugar apple. I don't know if it's good or not. So this is the video. Yeah, I wanted to show
No,
you
no.
something. Kobe,
Leave the video, please. Leave.
shut up,
Please
man.
don't watch this.
I
It's
hate.
not family friendly.
Why? I'm family friendly. You're like
Won't
my
even watch your channel.
somebody is.
Oh.
I didn't know that person though. Maybe he's my natural friend. So okay, bye. I'll see you in the next video.